What is going on, my Gammy Army? Welcome back to another video. We're looking very lean. We're 11 weeks out from NPC. I mean, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna compete. I don't know yet. It's road to recovery right now. But right now we got the oatmeal on the stove, you already know. But it's like 1 in the morning. I just got out of the gym. I'm pretty tired. Just filmed a video about Angel. Check out the chain. I think it's Balanzi Save. Balanzi. Let's go, baby. Sponsorships. And Goth Treasures. And Coolio Vest. I still have it. It's inside the restroom right now. But we're looking pretty lean. Like, look at the... We're responding really good to diet. I'll prop you guys up right here. Show you guys how lean I am right now. Under the light. Looking really lean. But yeah, guys, today we have push day, so we're gonna be doing some chest. Oh my god, look at me, guys, from back then to now, look a lot bigger. But yeah, we're gonna cook up the oatmeal and then talk to you guys a little bit about some stuff. Alrighty, guys, so we haven't done one of these videos in a really long time. I'm gonna update you guys on what I've been up to. I mean, I've just been focusing on prep and, you know, working out a lot. But it's a blessing having these sponsorships. It's a blessing to still be here after that 18-wheeler hit me. And this is gonna be some very hard news to tell you guys, I guess. But after being hospitalized for a month or so, I came back schizophrenic from the car accident. So I have schizophrenia now, so there's that. I have to deal with that every day. It sucks, but it is what it is. I mean, nothing much I could do. But pretty much nothing much to it. It's just that I'm paranoid. I'm very paranoid about shit. I don't know why I shouldn't be, but we got the oatmeal in the freezer. I like to blast chill it. I don't know why. We got a tan today too, but pick you guys back up and talk about this outside or in here once my oatmeal's done cooling down. This must... It's in my pocket.
Alright, so we can do.
Is it rolling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll have for less. We need to get some groceries, a couple things. So right now we're gonna get some sugar. Not real sugar, fake sugar.
Hey, you need to speak back to the mic, bro.
Sweet and low.
Yeah, man. You don't have a mic. You gotta speak back.
No, I can hear me, trust me. So pretty much, just count this way. Stevia, sweet and low. This is the shit you need to buy right here. Sweet and low. Alright, let's go. Stop filming. Alright, so we're inside of Food for Less now. Tristan's right here, being a little kid. I got my cereal. So next we're gonna get some ice cream probably. I don't know, why not? But we're responding pretty good to diet. I look like shit, don't I? Yeah, I know. But it's all because of the calorie deficit, so remember that. Boop. Go, 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 go. Come on, Tristan, where you at? Where's those legs, pussy? Where's those legs? Hey, Jim!
Alrighty, guys, so we're here at the Dark Harvest auditions. We're just chilling right here with Max. Max is really right here behind the camera. You guys remember him from last year, but honestly, I'm pretty excited for this year's season. I don't know what it has in store. Fuck Brandon, that's all I gotta say. He fucked me over a lot, so I have nothing against Dark Harvest. I do have something against Haunted Harvest, trying to steal our name. Brandon, if you see this video, which I'm pretty sure you will, come up with your own shit, bro. No cap.
I don't have comment. Are you really recording?
Yes, I'm really recording, bro.
I'm not ready for that.
No, we said-
All the announcements are going to be next week.
All right, for sure. So next week, stay tuned.
There's going to be
They're gonna be revealing.
multiple announcements. Lot of announcements.
Bit of the teaser, we're for sure going to keep it OG. We're going to bring back some good old stuff that we used to see in the black and white days on TV.
Yes, sir. The black and white days.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So we're here, day 2 of what is this?
Dark Harvest?
There you go. I forgot, bro. Dark Harvest auditions. Pretty much, we have a friend coming that's gonna audition from Pirates Cave, because I guess they're not going on this year for who knows what reason. I love Han.
You seem pretty versatile. That's great. What would you say is your preferred theme? Like, just when it comes to the horror genre, do you like Hills Have Eyes type person? Do you like vampires? Do you like zombies? What's your style?
I like it all, but like in my terms of scare acting, I've always loved Pirates just because of Pirates Cave. My plan for this year was to get, because I'm allergic to mask latex, it causes me to get hives. I have psoriatic dermatitis, so I'm not used with any sort of material.
Okay. I don't think we have anything that necessarily aligns with that specifically at our meetings.
No worries.
But you said you were pretty versatile. So
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, we want each of our actors to be in their element. We're not going to make you do anything you're not comfortable with. But, if you don't feel that you're at your full potential, we can always give you something else. And will you be providing your own stuff, or will you be needing a costume?
I can provide my own costume.
Okay. So I'm just going to go over the rules just once. If you have any questions, feel free. But we are going to have a meeting before the season starts. I'm going to go in depth about them. But just so you have this general, basis of what our rules are. We're here to scare, so no politics, no controversial subjects. Basically, if we feel like someone's bringing something up in the city star stuff, why not? And no one's ever going to be in a room alone. And so, aside from breaks, if you have to leave for any emergency reason, bathroom, something, that day, we get it. You want to be responsible for your spot. So nobody leaves their spot without telling the person that they're looking for. And you have to make sure they can compensate for your absence. We keep our composure with guests. So you've been in the haunted industry for a while, so people do this thing where they pay to get scared, and then they get mad when you scare them.
Yeah.
Or they bring their kids knowing they're gonna get scared.
Fucking hate that shit.
So,
I
so
swear
you,
to
you
God.
know about that. So I don't think that'll be a problem with you. And then we're a no-touch home, so we try to just
That's nice. Keep your hands to yourself.
yeah. And then so no putting hands on guests unless we're all for defending yourself. But other than that,
Unless you gotta fuck them
we don't
up, then that's a
scare
different
guests
story.
Pick up your trash. Sad that has to be a rule, but we just gotta tell everybody that. Please wear deodorant. If anyone has trouble acquiring that, we can help you out. Again, sadly that has to be a rule. When we tell you all how the breaks work, you're responsible for your break times. Like I said, we'll go a lot with that later on. No selling, giving, or purchasing any drugs of any kind with anyone. Please don't ask why that's a rule. Please just don't. If you vape at all? Okay, I'll say if you do, and that's fine. Just preferably a
Vaping's cool, kids.
Some people have to do like medical marijuana. That's fine as well, as long as it's away from the maze. It just leaves a distinct smell to customers.
Yeah.
And performing while intoxicated is a leading grounds for termination. All right, so that part is done. We're going to give you an application here in just a second. We'll let you fill it out. Can we give you a scenario to act out for us?
Ooh.
Like to see a bit of your talent in play. We're going to give you a two-person scenario, and we'll be having Gamma as the person B.
Let's get it.
So, if you come on,
Go.
Begin scenario.
All you can do is not show up. All you do is have to take a shit.
I try my best here.
All you do is talk shit and you eat shit.
I do as much
You
as I
shit.
can.
That's all you do. You have to take a
I'm
shit.
flexible. I do as much as I can for this corporation. I don't know.
I don't want to hear your shit. You are literally a shit.
I really do not appreciate your like.
I don't care. I don't give a shit. I'm good.
All right, so we're now at the gym. We're gonna be working out with Julio today. This guy's gonna be joining us today for back and biceps. So I'm supposed to be doing arms today, so I'm gonna put arms and back together, just to hit it twice in 1 week. But yeah, he's gonna be joining me. We had 2 rest days. Let's hit it. Guys, I have a really big announcement. I am now a part of Ace Elite Athletes, Ace Elite Apparel. Shout out Ace Elite. They're the sponsors of this video today. New sponsorship, use code GAMMA for 15% off on your Ace Elite clothing or anything you get on their website. 15% off the whole entire website. Use code GAMMA, G-A-M-A. Pop it up right here. Three, four. Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how much he has right now. I'm hearing him. Somebody saying 6. How'd that shit feel? How'd it feel?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Alrighty, guys, we're back in the car now. Julio left. He said he had a pretty good workout. Pretty good workout with him. I'm gonna come back later to hit triceps and shoulders with Angel probably. I don't know yet, but right now we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat some sushi. So I'm gonna get some sushi from Sushi Barn possibly. If not, we'll see where we go to eat. But we're gonna get some food, get replenished for our next workout, which is later on tonight. And we already hit calves. We gotta hit abs, shoulders, and triceps. All right, so we decided to come back home because I'm just not feeling hungry right now. So I'm just gonna chill out at home, take a shower. Just got home from the gym, and then go on about my day and what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing right now, but pretty much I'm just gonna be chilling right now, sitting out here in front of my house, doing nothing, just listening to music, vibing. That's all I do on my Sundays, honestly. I go to church in the mornings. I went to go drop off Angel, and then went over there to the gym to work out with Julio. That's all I've done. That's my Sunday. Alrighty, guys, so that was today's epic little adventure. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop a comment down below what was your favorite part about today's video. And if you guys support me, you guys will support the people that sponsor me. Today's sponsor of the video is Ace Elite Apparel. Shout out to them. I'm now an Ace Elite athlete. Use code ZOO for 15% off on many sites or 25% off on some of them. It's gonna be in the description down below in my link tree. Check it out and use code GAMMA or code ZOO, not code GAMMA, code ZOO, like zoo culture, ZOO, for 15 to 25% off. Remember, guys, to never give up and keep on pushing. Love you, Gamma Ray Army. Remember, life is what you make of it, not what others want, say, or think. So live life to the fullest. Catch you in the next one.